Oh my god, welcome back to part 3 of this video. You know the story. To everyone that I did a little shout video to, so yep. And then just flip the head around like that, and there you go. There is the 7 steps of Wingspan. And yes, he does sit. There you go, grab a Tire Master. Why not? Let's use Sergeant Cup's head. Now, can a Tire Master fit in here? Let me rotate everything around. So, yeah, there is a little notch up front there that lots in with their little feet. Or, you know, should, because we all know Tire Masters, they only want to lot into anything. Good point of example right there. And the little feet wings, they don't really want to lot into anything too. So this one just basically sits on there. It doesn't really lot in place, but yeah. Because it's showing here on Cloudraker that it does sit in there. So next up is Cloudraker. Head rotation. Yep. Arms. Yeah, let's move them out of the way a little bit. So legs. Really great kit motion that it has right there. This one can actually go all the way back. Knee bend due to, you know, transformation and things. And can he do the splits? Well, he could kind of do a weird split. He could do like a kit like that, but then for transformation, as you can see there, he could do even more kit, which, yeah, it gets some more wings, but it also looks a little more weirder compared to just that versus that. So yeah. Let's kind of get him sandwiched there together. Great little HUD sculpt. I love the HUD sculpt on this one. So the first thing on this one is actually rotating the head around to kind of create a little bad tail fin of the jet mode. And what are they saying about the hands? Oh, just fold the hands in. So the hands just fold in like that. Then it's saying put your kind of non-existent hands in the air and wait about like you just don't care. And that's what they're showing here. And of course, you know, bring them up like this to the chest. Then they're saying turn it over to the legs here. Okay. Don't know why they're saying that, but anyway. Kind of bring the legs. How far out are they saying? They're saying just bring the legs out to about here. Like the splits. Now you think they would go more out due to transformation, but no, they're saying just for now, do the splits with it. Then we come up and underneath here. So untap that. It's on a double hinge here. Fold that one all the way out. On this one, you know, kind of do the same thing to kind of create the little wings. Then they're saying fold the feet down like that. So the little toes go down. And let's see here. Okay. Yeah, these instructions are not in color, so it's a little hard to see what they're saying here. Okay, and then I guess it's saying flip them around like that, and then make sure that, you know, the pieces line up. Now we could pull them out like that. And then, what the heck? Yeah. Okay, so they're saying just like this. And they're saying make sure that they lock in. So, how the heck do they lock in? Okay, something's not right here. Okay, so you turn them like this. Now you think because you see these little windows here that they would go like that, which would make more sense, but no, they go like this, which makes the wings. And I don't know if you can see that, but right there is a little tab there that they're supposed to tab into. This one, it's a little bit of a pain to figure out and find the tab. So a little bit off camera here, due to how small it is. Okay, I got one side tabbed in. There we go. The other side is now tabbed in. And it just detabs. Anyway, there we go. Now they're saying just put the nose down like that. Pull it up. And it kind of would go into place. Or sort of in place. And finally put a little landing gear down, which doesn't go down that much, but it is nice that there is a little landing gear. And there is Cloudraker. Now they're saying Cloudraker, you can place a Titan Master in him, and you can. So now you're wondering, how do you place a Titan Master? See this little back cockpit right here? What you do is grab it, and hidden bonus, you lift that up, and now that becomes a little seat. Then you just take your Titan Master. Now this one, his little feet actually do pad in there, as you can see. It's not falling down or coming off. So yeah, don't know why on Wingspan the Titan Master just sits in there. It does have that little connection port on top there, but for some reason it doesn't want to connect in there. And on this one, as you can see, that little connection port does lock in with this one. Like, listen to it. Hopefully you heard that little and that sound. So this one, yeah, definitely. And then you can put it down like that. So yeah. How much was this? I believe originally it was like $23, and then towards the end of the Titans Return lineup, they had it marked down to about $12, or I think it was like $12 or 2 for $20. I mean, it was a pretty good deal for the price of it. So yeah, that's definitely why I jumped on and bought it. Because, I mean, it was the first exclusive at Walgreens that I have seen, you know, from the Titans Return lineup. And the other ones, the Cyber Battalion, they're not really too much known, but they're there. So yeah, you know, hopefully you enjoyed this 3-part unboxing review, even though it's really 2 parts. You know, you had a little information about the giveaways that will be run here on YouTube. That, you know, unfortunately I'm not doing a giveaway. I would love to do a giveaway, all that stuff. The shout out to the 3 people, you know, Dave's World, you know, to, I can't think of who it was right now, but you know what I mean. Yeah. to Pidge and to, I want to say Jack, but it's Jake. Jake Gray. For some reason, man, I always want to say Jack, because when I later I was like Jack, but no, it's Jake. Yeah, so, yeah. Remember to rate, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell.